Hi, I'm Harry from Hill to Air. In this video, we're going to show you some of the approaches and some of the steps that we take to make your videos. Framing is key when filming. The rule of thirds is one highly effective technique that we use. This technique places more emphasis on the subject. If you want an accurate alignment of your subject, most modern cameras have grid out lines that can help you. This can include a medium shot with someone talking to camera, a tradesperson using a power saw, or even an aerial shot of a sunrise. The level of the shot, the distance, and the balance of subjects can make an engaging visual. Now, camera settings can be a little tricky to figure out, but one really cool technique to master is the use of your frame rate. This can create a really engaging, really cinematic shot. Another important thing, the higher your frame rate, the slower your image will be. And a top tip, always double your shutter speed. This can emphasize the action in the shot, create smoother camera movements, and highlight a focus point. Moving on, lighting. Lighting is one of the most important aspects to our job, and it's one that we often forget. The first step is to identify the purpose of the scene. If you're conducting an interview, you want the subject to be well lit from at least one side. This is called key light. But you can also add backlight to make your subject stand out and fill light to remove any shadows. This is called a 3-point lighting system. However, when you're outside, it's a different ball game. Some cases, we can't bring studio lights with us, so we have to use natural light to capture the subject. So if on a sunny day or even a cloudy day, having the subject facing away from the direct sunlight, but with the background not in shadow, helps in producing a high quality image. All these techniques are really important in creating an engaging image for your video.